Stop scrolling, the iPhone 18 leaks are coming fast. And if even half of them stick, Apple's 2026 lineup could be its most ambitious iPhone upgrade in years. We're talking a 2nm A20 chip, a sleeker design with a smaller dynamic island, translucent glass on Pro models, variable aperture cameras, next-gen AI in iOS 27, and yes, even whispers of a foldable iPhone. In this deep dive, we'll break down the rumored iPhone 18 release date, design, specs, prices, camera upgrades, and the Pro versus non-Pro strategy Apple may use to shake up its launch cycle. iPhone 18 launch strategy, release date, and staggered rollout reports suggest Apple will keep the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max in the classic September launch window. The standard iPhone 18 and a rumored iPhone 18 Air could arrive later, potentially spring 2027. Why this shift? To spotlight Pro models, smooth supply chains, extend the product cycle, and reduce launch bottlenecks. What this means for you? More focused attention on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max at launch. A second wave of buzz when the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Air drop, potentially with refined software and colors. Design changes. Smaller. Dynamic island. Translucent aesthetics. A credible leak points to a smaller dynamic island, roughly 1/3 smaller, thanks to tighter Face ID hardware. More usable screen. Fewer visual distractions. Under display, Face ID and invisible selfie cameras remain unlikely for mass production in 2026. So the smaller island feels like the logical next step. The showstopper rumor, a translucent rear panel on Pro models. Think modern iMac G3 vibes, frosted glass that subtly reveals internal structure for a futuristic premium look. Expect slimmer bezels, a lighter chassis, and cleaner, more refined edges across the lineup. Displays rumored iPhone 18, 6.3 inches Super Retina XDR OLED. 1.2 iPhone 18 Air, 6.5 inches Super Retina OLED. 1.2 iPhone 18 Pro, 6.3 LTPO 120 Hz with adaptive refresh. iPhone 18 Pro Max, 6.9 LTPO 120 Hz. Higher resolution panel camera upgrades, variable aperture, stack sensors. Better low. Light Pro models may feature a variable aperture, main lens for sharper daytime shots, and brighter low light photos without overexposing highlights. Stack sensor design is rumored for faster readout, cleaner HDR, and reduced rolling shutter in video. Massive computational photography gains expected in iOS 27. Improved night mode, more natural portrait mode edges, and sharper textures with less noise. A 200MP primary sensor has been floated, but remains unconfirmed. Even without the megapixel jump, overall image quality should see a meaningful lift. Performance 2nm A20 and A20 Pro for speed, efficiency, and AI. The iPhone 18 series is rumored to run on Apple's 2nm A20 and A20 Pro chips. What to expect? Higher CPU-GPU performance, better energy efficiency, and smoother on-device AI for faster, more private features. Battery life should benefit from the 2nm process, especially paired with LTPO displays on Pro models. Apple's in-house C2 modem may debut, reducing reliance on Qualcomm and improving 5G speeds latency. And PowerDraw.ai and iOS 27, next-gen Apple Intelligence iOS 27, is expected to deepen on-device AI across photos, Siri, notes, messages, and system-wide suggestions. Look for smarter summaries, content-aware edits, live transcriptions, and context-aware Siri that feels more conversational while staying private and fast. On Pro models, AI features could leverage the A20 Pro's upgraded neural engine for pro-grade photo-video workflows and faster local processing. Foldable iPhone, the wild card of foldable iPhone is the most tantalizing rumor circling the iPhone 18 era. Hints point to an ultra-thin titanium plus aluminum. Hybrid frame focused on durability without excessive weight. Some reports suggest Touch ID could make a comeback for a foldable form factor to simplify authentication when folded. If it lands, it would be Apple's biggest hardware shift since the original iPhone, though timing and branding remain unclear. iPhone 18 series, rumored specs, prices, and who their for iPhone 18. Standard display, 6.3 inches Super Retina XDR OLED. 120 resolution, 2622-1206, approximately equals 460 pi cameras, dual 4.8 MP, main plus ultra wide. Chip, A20, 2 nanometers. Charging, faster wired and wireless rumored. Price, $799, £799 rumored. Best for most users who want the new design, great cameras, and 120 Hz with outgoing Pro. iPhone 8 Air display, 6.5 Super Retina OLED, 120A's rear camera, single 4.8 MP battery, approximately 3,200 mAh rumored. Storage, up to 1 TB rumored. Price, $999 rumored. Best for a lighter, minimalist iPhone that still feels premium position as a mid-range flagship. iPhone 18 Pro display, 6.3 LTPO 120 Hz. Adaptive refresh chip, A20 Pro 2 nanometers battery, approximately 4300 mAh rumored. Storage, up to 1 TB camera, variable aperture plus advanced stack sensors. Price, $1,199 rumored. Best for creators and power users who want the best balance of portability and pro-grade features. iPhone 18 Pro Max display, 6.9 LTPO 120. Resolution, 2868-3200 rumored. Battery, 5200 mAh rumored. Storage, up to 2 TB rumored. Chip, A20 Pro 2 nanometers. Price, $1,399, $1,499 rumored. Best for power users, gamers, and mobile filmmakers who want maximum screen, battery, and storage. Charging and battery. What to expect? Faster wired wireless charging is rumored across the lineup. With efficiency gains from the 2 nanometers process, Apple is likely to keep thermal performance and battery longevity front and center, favoring smart charging curves over headline, grabbing wattage. Why this generation matters: smaller dynamic island means more immersive content and cleaner UI. Translucent glass on Pro models could redefine premium iPhone aesthetics. 0.2 nanometers A20 Pro chips unlock meaningful gains in speed, battery life, and AI. Variable aperture plus stack sensors point to the most versatile iPhone camera system yet. A foldable iPhone would reset expectations for the entire ecosystem: apps, accessories, and workflows. Takeaways: rumored iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, September 2026 launch window, iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Air, possible spring 2027 release. Design: smaller dynamic island, slimmer bezels, lighter body. Translucent Pro backs rumored. Cameras, variable aperture on Pro, faster stack sensors, big computational upgrades. Performance, 2 nanometers A20 Pro, better efficiency, stronger AI, potential C2 modem, foldable iPhone. In play, with durability, focused materials, and possible Touch ID. Final thoughts: if these iPhone 18 leaks pan out, Apple's 2026 to 2027 lineup could be the biggest generational leap in years. From the 2 nanometers A20 chip and next-gen AI in iOS 27 to a sleeker design, variable aperture cameras, and even a foldable iPhone wildcard, the iPhone 18 series looks ready to push the ecosystem forward on every front.